Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deregistering the Kindle Paperwhite from an Amazon account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Kindle, tap the three dots button in the top right corner. Then choose Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap Your Account. Then tap Deregister Device. Tap Deregister again on the pop-up. Your Kindle will now be deregistered from your Amazon account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.